In a big boost to India's Atmanirbhar push, India has test-fired its indigenously manufactured advanced towed artillery gun system at Chandipur in Odisha. These are supposed to be much better than the Bofors guns that India already operates and that you've no doubt already heard about. Here's our exclusive report by India Today's Manjeet Negi, who was right there with the booming guns.
Live firing trials of the indigenously manufactured Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System or ATAGS at Chandipur in Odisha. The Indian Army is eagerly waiting for the test results to induct close to 2,000 such advanced howitzers and deploy them along the LAC and the LOC. The DRDO manufactured ATAGS has a range of 48 kilometers as against the 40 kilometers range of Bofors. The ATAGS is a 52 caliber howitzer as against 39 caliber of the Bofors.
We have a 5-round burst mechanism over here. So in 1 minute we can fire 5 rounds in quick succession. Apart from that, we have the intense rate of fire also, where we can fire 10 rounds in 2.5 minutes. And then there is another third rate of fire, which is a sustained rate of fire, wherein we can fire 60 rounds in 60 minutes.
India today witnessed the live firing of the indigenously manufactured howitzer that boasts of better accuracy, consistency, reliability, mobility and equally important, since it is made in India, serviceability and availability of spares.
More than 2,000 rounds of ATAGS howitzer have already been fired in Pokhran, Balasore and high altitude range of Sikkim. Its long-range firing capabilities, and once it's inducted, it would give an unprecedented capability to the Indian Army.
The 155 mm howitzers had performed extremely well in the Kargil conflict of 1999 and had been credited with destroying Pakistani bunkers in extreme high altitude areas. The ATAGS is expected to be better than the 1987 vintage Bofors in terms of range, accuracy and lethality. However, the howitzer is still to undergo certain trials in extreme high altitude field firing range in Sikkim.
ये गन सबसे शक्तिशाली गन रहेगी इस क्लास में 155 क्लास में सबसे शक्तिशाली गन रहेगी क्योंकि इसकी रेंज और एक्यूरेसी बहुत अच्छी है और दुनिया में पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि इस गन ने 48 किलोमीटर की रेंज दी है.
The Defence Research and Development Organization has so far fired more than 2,000 rounds with pinpoint accuracy. DRDO insists that ATAGS is more advanced yet financially more competitive than similar howitzers in the international market. The ATAGS is also capable of firing a 5-round burst as against a 3-round burst of some foreign guns tested. The ATAGS can also move using its own power unit at a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Effective to dodge counter bombardment.
तो हम आपको इस अटैक हॉविट्जर गन की लाइव फायरिंग दिखा इस तरह से जबरदस्त कह सकते हैं कि फायरिंग का ही यहाँ पर नजारा है. किस तरह से इस करीब 48 किलोमीटर की रेंज बोफोर्स एक एडवांस हॉविट्जर जो तोप है उसका 55 किलोग्राम को गोला यहाँ चांदीपुर समंदर में आगे जो टारगेट सेट किया गया है उस पर फायर होता है.
However, the trials earlier did witness a setback when there was an accident during field firing. But Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat insisted India must press on with indigenously manufactured weapon systems to be Atmanirbhar or self-reliant in defence sector. The ATAGS is expected to undergo some more hot summer trials at the Mahajan field firing range in Rajasthan before being cleared for induction.
At the time when India and China are engaged in the border conflict, the Indian Army is soon going to get howitzer gun which can destroy enemy target at 48 to 50 kilometers. We will show you the live firing of world longest range howitzer gun. With camera person Sanjay Chaudhary, this is Manjeet Negi at Balasore for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.